SSP's vision is to empower grassroots women to take on new public roles as entrepreneurs, farmers, leaders, and chain makers in low income and climate threatened communities all over India, and to create robust partnership ecosystems that enhance women's access to their entitlements, rights, knowledge, and skills. In the next 10 to 15 years, SSP will empower 1 million women, farmers, and entrepreneurs, impacting the lives of 15 million people. Through our women led climate smart farming solution, SSP's vision is to firstly redefine women's identity from that of a farm labor to a decision maker, grassroots advocate, and climate leader. Secondly, to build the resilience of small and marginal farming households in climate threatened communities. And finally, to transform the agriculture practices by introducing no chemical biofarming, which has a lasting impact on their health, land, and environment. At the heart of this climate smart farming solution is our goal to mainstream women as farmers and decision makers, as entrepreneurs, enabling them to take well informed decisions around types of crops, inputs, food production, and going to markets. We plan to use the Zayed Prize money to first strengthen the much needed market and finance linkages, and to change public policy for women farmers who are practicing the climate smart farming solution. We aim to mobilize women farmers and entrepreneurs into formal institutions of producer groups and companies to integrate them in the food and farming value chain. With support from the Zayed Prize, we will also scale up this initiative to new climate threatened regions and communities in multiple districts in Maharashtra and multiple states across India. Our plan is to also transfer this model across Asia, Africa, and Latin America through like minded organizations and global exchanges.